Hello Shadow Crafters, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had an awesome holiday. Today I'm going to show you my latest rune set. It's called the Gartful Rune Divination set. And I just want to show it off. And if you were interested in buying this set, I would like to know how much you would be willing to spend on it. Because this took me 3 days to make. And I will also try to show later how I actually made these, because this is part of the set. They're dice. Yeah, somebody will please tell me in the comment section what they're actually for. So yeah, it took me 3 days and a crap ton of resin, and it took like about an hour to glaze these. You know, what do you think? Is it worth buying? This here is part of the set. It's supposed to be a coaster. It's supposed to be a divination plate, but it's a coaster. So I'll put you there. And here's a bigger version of it. I guess you can put crystals on it. Incense? Tell me what you think in the comments below. I think I did a nice glazing on that, don't you? Okay, well, that's it. Thank you for hanging out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, ring the bell. It all helps with the algorithms. And thank you so much for buying me coffee once in a while. Have a great day. Namaste.